We recently shot a video on the most difficult things to fix on a car. Today we'd like to address one of those, which is kind of twofold. It's vibrations and noises. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. I got to tell you, a ton of money is spent every year chasing down the wrong noises or the wrong vibrations, and people spend a lot of money and still don't solve their problems. So it's important for a shop to have very specific processes to solve those, and the right tools are helpful as well. So I'll just give you a couple things that happens with us. Number one is we don't like to address any vibration or any noise unless you show it to us. So the best thing you can do is show the shop what you're experiencing. Because oftentimes, really on a noise, a car will have multiple noises. And so you got to make sure it's the one that's bothering you that you address. So with noises, we have a couple of things that we can use. We can use a stethoscope, and we can either have it as an open hose, testing 1, 2, 3, or we can have a stick on it that can listen to different things on parts. Now, some things are even more difficult to do because they only happen while you're driving down the road. One of the tools we like to use, I think the common name for this is called chassis ears. So what we actually have is we have a number of microphones, and we can attach those to different points on the car. And then they send a signal to this, and we turn this on, and then we can listen to each of those channels and hear where the noise is, and then we can keep moving the microphones around until they get to the location. Vibrations can be a little bit more difficult. Sometimes you have to tighten things, unbolt things, do different things. But bottom line is having good processes for those will help save you money. It's hard to bite the diagnostic fee at first because you feel like, wow, why am I paying for something you could just look at? But in the end, it'll save you some money. So I hope this has been informational to you on why vibrations and noises are so difficult to resolve. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.